What we have studied yesterday?
13.5.
13.5. Volume of cuboid and cube. Okay. What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. And what is the volume of cube? Side cube. Means side into side into side. What is the unit of volume? Cubic unit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we come to the volume of cylinder. You have seen the cylinder, right circular cylinder. We are talking about right circular cylinder. Okay. Whose height and radius are perpendicular. Clear? Now, in the right perpendicular, cylinder, in this cylinder, we will find the volume. As I told you yesterday about the cuboid, how we find the volume of cuboid? We have made the slices of its base. From the base we have made the slices. In the same way we make the slices of this base. The base is circle. The base is circle. And the breadth and the height is negligible. So base volume is base area into height. Volume is equal to base area into height. Now base is circle. Base is, what is the area of circle? Pi r square. And height is h, up to h height. So volume is pi r square h. This is the volume of cylinder. Clear? Volume of cylinder. Now, if the cylinder is hollow, it means it has inner radius and outer radius. Inner radius, outer radius and height. And this is the thickness of cylinder. Clear? So to find the volume of this hollow cylinder, find the volume. The cylinder, the volume is the same, pi r square h. But to find the thickness, volume of the thickness. Now to find the thickness, the volume of the thickness. This is the outer radius. This is the inner radius. What we do? We subtract the volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So volume of thickness will be of cylinder is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Volume of inner cylinder. Okay? Volume of outer cylinder pi capital R square H minus volume of inner cylinder pi small r square H. Which is equal to pi common, H common, capital R square minus small r square. So we will use these two formulas in this exercise 13.6. Clear? volume of thickness. Clear? Now we will solve the question number 1. Note it down. Now we solve the question number 1 of 13.6. What it is? It is the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. A base of a cylindrical vessel. The circumference. This is the base of the cylindrical vessel. And the circumference is equal to 132 centimeter. It is given. And its height is 25 centimeter. Height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? How many liters of water can it hold? Means we have to find the capacity in liter. So first we find the volume of this vessel. Volume of this vessel. So volume of vessel is equal to pi r square h. But you see that the radius is there in the formula. The radius is there, and radius is not given in the question. So first we have to find the radius. So with the help of circumference. What is given? Circumference is equal to 132 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. So 2 pi means 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132 centimeter. So r is equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22 centimeter. Okay, solve it. What is the answer of radius?
21.
20.
Yes, sir.
2 6s are 12, 22 3s are 66. So 7 3s are 21 centimeter is the radius. The radius of base is 21 centimeter. Now volume is equal to. Now volume is equal to
22/7.
last volume. Volume is equal to pi r square 8 is equal to pi means 22 by 7, r means 21 square, h is 25 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Now 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into 25 is cubic centimeter. 7 3s are 21 is equal to 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 cubic centimeter.
So 34,650 answer.
Now we know that 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter.
Yes, sir.
Okay? We have to convert it into. The question is find the volume in liter. We have to find how much water can it hold in liters. So 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So we will divide it by 1000 to get result in liter. Is equal to 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 upon 1000 liter. Now we convert cubic centimeter into liter. So 25 4s are 140 Then 2 11s are, 2 20s are 40
Yes.
and
Sir, अपनी कर दो.
okay. So multiply it and divide it by 20. You will get the capacity in
34.65.
liter. Huh?
34.65.
34.65. 34.65 liter water can hold by cylindrical vessel.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now note it down. Now we come to the second question.
Yes, sir.
The second question is the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe. The pipe is now wooden pipe. Inner diameter and outer diameter. The inner diameter small d is given 24 centimeter, है ना? And outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The outer capital D is equal to 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Length means height. 35 centimeter. This is the wooden cylinder. Called pipe. Find the mass of the pipe. We have to find the mass of the pipe, means weight. If 1 cubic centimeter of wood has a mass of 0.6 kilogram, the mass is given mass per cubic centimeter is equal to 0.6 gram. It is given, and we have to find the mass of the pipe. Okay, to find the mass of the pipe, first we have to find the mass of the wooden. We have to find the volume of the wooden. Okay, to find the volume of the wooden,
Sir, वो वाला formula.
yeah, the second formula, the volume of wooden is equal to volume of wooden pipe.
सर इसको रिंग का फॉर्मूला बोलते हैं ना.
Volume of wood. We have to find the volume of wood only, not the hollow.
Yes, sir.
We will find the volume of this thickness. Volume of this thickness, and the formula is pi h capital R square minus small r square. Now look here. We have given the diameter. So convert the diameter into radius. Radius will be 14 centimeter. And here small r is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So volume of wood is equal pi 22 by h 35 r square minus r square 14 square minus 12 square. Now there are two methods.
Yes, sir.
One, you can use the identity here.
Yes, sir.
You can use the identity a square minus b square
A plus B, A minus B.
is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or you square it up and subtract. Both the way you can use. I am using the first way,
Yes, sir.
using the identity. 7 5 are 35, 22 into 5 110, and 14 square minus 12 square means 14 plus 12
14 minus
into 14 minus 12 is equal to 110 into 26 into 2 cubic centimeter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 110.
Clear?
52.
Multiply it 220 into 26 What is it?
Sir, 110 into 52.
100, 220 into 26. 220 into 26 cubic centimeter. That is about 26 into 0, 0. 26 twos are 52. Carry 5.
Sir, 500.
52 plus
Sir,
5.
5720.
Yes, 5720 cubic centimeter. Now look here. We have to find the mass of wood. है ना? Mass of wood is equal to volume into mass per cubic unit. Mass is equal to mass of wood is equal to volume into mass per cubic unit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now volume is
5,000.
5700 into 0.6 gram. It is in the gram. Multiply it, you will get the answer. Yes, multiply it.
Sir, 572 into 6.
6 twos are 12. 6 sevens are
642.
42.
432.
3432.0 gram. Is it correct or not? No?
Very kilogram. Sir.
This is in the gram.
Yes, sir. Kilogram.
Now, when you want to find it, convert it into kilogram, what we do? We divide it by 1000. So it will be 3.432 kilogram. If we want to convert it into kilogram, we will divide it by 1000. Clear? So answer mass of wood is equal to 3.432
Kilogram.
kilogram. Now note it down.
Noted.
Now question number 5. 13.6 question number 5. If it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. Deep means it's a height. Okay. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, fine. Look here. This is the cylindrical vessel. Okay. It is given. It costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface. Inner curved surface means inner curved surface area.
Sir, 110.
What is the formula? Curved surface area 2 pi r h.
सर ये तो होगा होगा ना फिर
1 minute. 2 pi r h. And the cost is given. Cost is, what is the cost?
2,200.
2200 rupees. Rupees 2200. 10 meter deep means height is 10 meter. Height is. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per cost of painting, rate of cost of painting is equal to rupees 20 per cubic meter per square meter. Fine. inner curved surface area of vessel. Look here. Radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. Now look here. Question is very simple, not very difficult. Number 1, the cost of painting is rupees 2000.
200.
Now the cost of painting is equal to cost of painting is equal to rate into curved surface area. Rate into cost of painting is rupees.
2200.
Rate is 20. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Now look here. 2200 upon 20 into 2 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 r. H is 10 meter. What is H? 10. Now with the help of this you can find radius. है ना? लेकिन first we have to find the curved surface area. So directly you can find the curved surface area. Look here. Rate into curved surface area. है ना? तो curved surface area is equal to 2200 divided by 20. 0 to 0 cancel. 110 square meter. This is the curved surface area. First part. First part. Answer 1. है ना?
वो hollow है क्या?
Yes. It is hollow. It is hollow. Now, listen. Now we find the radius. You can use this one. Now, curved surface area means 2 pi r h is equal to 110 square meter. So, radius is equal to 110 upon 2 pi h meter is equal to 110 upon 2, it is 55. 55 upon 5 is 22 by 7. So denominator goes to numerator. Add into h. H is 10 meter. 5 to 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 77 upon
40.
44. 11 sevens are 7. 11 fours are
44.
44.
7 upon 4 is the answer.
7 by 4. That is 1.75 meter. Yes. So radius is equal to 1.75 meter. Now this is the second answer. Okay. Now third is what? Capacity of the vessel means volume. What is the formula? Pi r square a. Only put the value, you will find the volume of the vessel. You will find the volume of the vessel. Okay? Clear? So in this way you can solve this question. Pi r square h is the volume of vessel. Okay, clear? Now I think you can solve the remaining questions also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The remaining question is your homework. You will find the volume. Okay? And then tomorrow we will discuss volume of right circular cone. Okay? Okay?